Can you solve this coding interview question that appears at every single top tech company? So given an array of integers and a value k, return true if there are two indices I and j, where the elements at the indices are the same and also the absolute difference between the two indices is less than or equal to k. Let's say we're given this example with k equal to 3, we have the two indices 0 and 3 where the elements are the same and the absolute difference between the two indices is less than or equal to 3, so we can return true. Let's go over the thought process. For each of the elements inside the array, we want a quick way to check if these elements exist before. We can create a hash set to keep track of the elements that we have already seen. Now, after finding two elements that are equal, we will also need to retrieve the index of the previous elements. That means hash sets is not enough. We will create a hash map to keep track of elements and index. Now, we want to maintain the smallest distance between two equal elements. That means as we iterate do from left to right, we will continuously update the index of the elements. Let's implement the function contains nearby duplicate taking the input array and k, create the hash map, iterate through the indices. If the map contains the current elements and the difference between the two indices is less than or equal to k, return true. Put the elements and index into the map, and then we can return false.